In this quick lesson, we're going to look at how to send our location via satellite through the Find My app on iPhone. This feature is only available on iPhone 14 and later with iOS 16 or later. We can only access this feature when the phone has no cellular or Wi-Fi connection. When the satellite icon appears here in the upper right, you'll know that this is the only connection that the iPhone can currently utilize. We can use the satellite connection in an emergency or to let people know our location via the Find My app. In this lesson, we're only going to cover location sharing to contacts in non-emergency situations. This can be a great feature if you're traveling off the grid, but you still want to keep friends and loved ones up to date on your progress. I have also used it to inform friends of an off-grid campsite location that I'm at, so they can then easily find it and join me there. So let's jump into the Find My app and the People tab. The list that I have here will all be able to see my satellite location when it's sent. The location can't be sent to anyone but those in this people list here in the Find My app. We're able to add people to this list from their card in the Contacts app. Next, tap on the Me tab, and from here we can send our location via satellite. The iPhone finds a signal and guides the user as to where to point the iPhone for the best connection. In this case, once it was connected, it took about 25 seconds to then send the location data. That information is then sent from the satellite down to iCloud servers and shared to those in my people list. Here's what it looks like on an iPad of one of the recipients. From within their Find My app, they can see from this icon that my last location was shared via satellite. They're able to see the precise location and when that was sent. We're able to share our location this way as often as every 15 minutes. But no messages can be sent along with the location. And again, this feature is currently only available on iPhone 14 and 14 Pro, but it should also be coming to all iPhone 15 models in the fall of 2023. For more on how to use your iPhone and all its features, head to themacu.com. Thanks for watching.